Dear customers, this video seeks to demonstrate how you connect to your customer portal. First of all, check your mailbox to find the email you have received from us and open it. In that email, you will be able to create your consumer account through the Activate You Account button on the bottom of the email. You will be redirected to our register page. Enter the same email address and name you have shared with us. To be sure, you can see it in the email you have received. We want to make sure that our database will recognize you. Otherwise, you won't see any of your documents. After that, you can create the password you want and click on Sign Up. Your account has been created. Your account will be quite useful. You will find all the information you need, the orders you have placed, the invoices you possess and any other documents. To check your orders, click on the matching menu. There, you will find all your previous and present orders you have placed. You can select the one you want to see every detail of your purchase. If you want to go back to a previous menu, you can use the breadcrumb guide on top. Let's go back to the principal menu. From there, you can see all the invoices you have with all the details. At the bottom of those menus, you will find a dedicated conversation section where you can ask us your questions through the chat box. The history of our conversation will remain there in case you need to take a look. You also have the possibility to download your invoices by simply clicking on the download button on the top left side of the page. It will automatically create a PDF file ready for you to use. You can now store it where you want. If you have asked for a quotation, you will receive a message that says, "One quotation to review." A detailed summary of what you asked will appear on screen, like your address, mail and phone number, the products you want, the quantity you need, the price with and without VAT. You just have to accept and sign it if everything is okay. If that's not the case, you can press the reject button. Again, if there is a problem, you can ask us via the chat box that is at the bottom of the page. We will be glad to help you. Finally, there is a Documents menu where you can see all the other documents we have shared with each other. Like leaflets, for example. If you have finished your visit in your account, you can simply log out to log back in whenever you want. That's all you had to know about your consumer portal, where you can see your orders, invoices, quotations or other documents. The Bellevue team hopes to see you soon.